Move back from this manifest file, go to Java folder, open it, and the very first one, open it, and here you will see main activity or any activity.java file. Open it. What is activity? I have already explained what is activity in first part of this video. If you don't know what is activity, then you can watch the previous part of this video. I have given the link of that video in the description. Now talk about the function of this .java file. This .java file is a file where we place all of our backend related code like business logic, data processing and manipulation, database connections, declaring and initializing views, getting and showing data in views, and a lot of stuff. For backend code, we use two languages, Kotlin and Java, but we will use Java language for our backend code. And that's it for Java folder. Now move back, close this and open this RESO resource folder. When you open this resource folder, then you will see lot of folders like drawable, layout, mipmap and values. First one, drawable. What is drawable? Drawable is a folder where we place all the images, icons and custom XML shape. For example, every image, icon or logo that you can see in this screen or activity is placed here in this drawable folder. When you run your Android app, then your Android Studio go to this drawable folder, search for related images or icons and load them into your app screen. As you can see, we have some images in our drawable folder, and among these images there are some images with same name. Not only name, actually all these images are same but with different resolutions. Why we need these same name images and how to create them, we will discuss in another video. For timely introduction, just remember that we use this approach to keep our image, icon or logo resolution constant on every screen. And that's it for drawable folder. Close this. And the second folder, layout. Now open the layout folder. As clear from its name, in this layout folder we will find all of our XML or front-end related files. You can go there and create, edit or customize your front-end or your GUI design. When you open this file, on the top right side of this file you will find three options: code, split and design. If you click code, then you will find only code file where you can code for your front-end design. And if you click design, then you can see only design window of your front-end design. You can see how your code or your front-end looks like in this design window. You can also use this drag and drop options, but I will not recommend you this drag and drop options at this beginning level, so ignore it. Now if you click split options, then as you can see, on one side of your window you will have code and on other side you will have preview of your design simultaneously. Now that's it for this layout folder. Now move back. Mipmap. Mipmap is used to save all the app icons. But wait a minute, this drawable can also hold images and icons of app. So what's the difference between drawable and this mipmap folder? The difference is this mipmap folder will hold only the launcher icons of your app, and this drawable folder will hold all the images, icons and logos that will be used into your app screens. And what is launcher icons? As you can see, all these icons on your home screen is called your launcher icons. Icons that you use or click on to run your app. This is called your launcher icons that your mipmap folder hold. And that's the difference between mipmap and drawable folder. Now values. And in value you will find two other files like colors and string file. First, color file. Open it. In this color file, as you can see, some colors with their hex code. You can define any color in this file, same like already defined here. In this name tag of your color, you will define the name of your desired colors. And next, you will define the hex code of your color. Then you can use this color in .java file or .xml file by only mentioning the color name. Now close this color folder and open this string file. What is string file? First, take an example of a button. Suppose you make a button and you set its name as register button, and you want this button on more than one screen or activity. And in future, if you need to change the name of your button from register to login, then what will you do? Will you go to every screen and change the name of button? Then it would be too much annoying thing. Just define name string here in this string file and use this string in your .xml or Java file instead of defining name of your button in every screen. Now the Gradle file. Gradle is our build tool. When we develop an Android app, then we use lot of images, icons, thousands of code files and links. Then build tool or Gradle get all these resources and files and build a single file that we called APK. APK is a file that is used to install our app. And that's it for this Android Studio project structure. I have explained almost all the files and folders that will help you to easily start Android app development. If you still face any problem, then do let me know in the comment section. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.